What's going on today, everybody? Well, it's been a little over a week on this wax test, sealant test, polymer test between these two, the Meguiars and the Turtle Wax Sealant Shine. So let's go ahead and give the car a wash and do a little bit of a comparison and see where they're at after a week. So here we go. We've got the front of the hood after a week. Remember, this is the Sealant Shine side, the control, and then the Meguiars hybrid. So you can see they're plenty dirty. There's still some water spots. Now, I didn't correct any of the water spots, but this side actually has, maybe it doesn't. There's still a couple little water spots in there, but there seems to be more over here. Now I'll have to overlay the old footage to see if that actually is new or old. We'll find out, but got some water. We'll go ahead and give it a quick rinse. So you can tell that it's definitely beating off. Here's your control, and here's the Meguiar side. After soaping it, well, there we go. We got some results. Now, they both get water off the car. I will give it that. There's a difference between the two. One of them definitely seems to sheet, the Meguiars, and the other one definitely seems to bead and is more hydrophobic, which is the Turtle Wax Sealant Shine. So, they're both working. Now, the control and the Meguiars look pretty much similar once you hit the water on it, but as soon as you give it a couple seconds and the whole thing just sheets off. Now that's good for water spots because you want that whole thing to sheet off and be done and off of the car as much as you can. You don't want all those little water spots left on. But now we're gonna go ahead and put the air to it and go ahead and blow off the hood and see how that actually reacts to the water now that we've got the dirt off of it and have given it a quick little wash. Here we go, we've got our blower. We're set up on the low turtle. We'll just go ahead. Well, there you go. Seal and Shine has very, very minimal water spots on the low setting. Here's your control. It's still got pretty much the same amount as the Meguiars does. Now that line right there is a tape residue. I didn't clean the tape residue off when I went and did it, so that's totally fine. But all we're worried about is this middle section. But that's the low setting, and we still have a lot, I would consider that a lot of water still left on the hood. While this side, we still have some water spots, but they're very, very small. And if I probably turned the blower up, I might be able to get them off. So we'll go ahead and get them up. There we go. I was able to get all the water off of the paint. So the high on the Meguiar side, a lot more effort for what the turtle wax did on the low setting. This is a lot more effort, so I am impressed with this turtle wax Seal and Shine. It is going above and beyond what I was expecting from it. Well, there you go, people. We've got a real world comparison between the two products. I know what one I'm gonna be using. Do you know what one you're gonna be using? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, if you like this video and you want to see more comparisons like this in future videos, let me know. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit that like. Do everything to let me know that, hey, this is what I want to see, and I will do more of it. If you want certain products, head-to-head against certain products, leave them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do them for you guys. So, without further ado, I'm gonna get out of here. You enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of mine. Peace.